A Cardiff City player has today released text messages between him and Emiliano Sala which show how the £15 million player's doomed flight was arranged. Jack Mackay, whose father is football agent Willie Mackay, told Sala that he would be able to get him on the flight for free if you help me score goals. Willie Mackay admitted today that he booked the flight with David Henderson, who has flown us and many of our players all over Europe on countless occasions. But he said he had no involvement in selecting a planner or a pilot. The aircraft was ultimately flown by David Ibbotson, who was a part-time DJ and guest engineer, and admitted before the flight he was a little bit rusty. The private flight between Nantes to Cardiff disappeared from radar over the English Channel on its way to Cardiff on Monday night. Willie's other son, Mark, was the agent acting for Nantes in the £15 million transfer that made Sala Cardiff's record signing earlier in January. In the text exchange released to the BBC by Mackay, Jack offers to arrange the private flight for free so Sala could return to Nantes to say goodbye to former teammates at the Ligue 1 club and to pick up his belongings. In one message, Jack Mackay tells Sala his father would be able to arrange the planner for free if he helps him to score goals. He highlighted that both Mark and Jack had a conversation with Sala about the difficulties of flying to the French city by commercial airline. He also says a Cardiff player liaison official knew of the arrangements that were made. Mackay also said that he had met with Sala's friends and family to give them an understanding of how Emiliano came to be on that planner. He added, "The tragic events that have unfolded have shocked us all." According to the BBC, Cardiff has now started an internal inquiry to try to establish the events leading up to the flight, with a senior source having denied reports that the club is considering a multi-million-pound negligence lawsuit over the incident. The source told the BBC that senior club officials only became aware a private flight had been arranged after they were alerted by the club's player liaison officer that Sala had failed to arrive at Cardiff Airport as planned on Monday. The messages between Jack Mackay and Sala 7:43 p.m. Jack Mackay, "My dad has told me that you are going home tomorrow. He could organize a planner to take you direct to Nantes and to come back on Monday, at a time that suits you, so you can get to training on Tuesday." @7:51 p.m. Emiliano Sala, "That is great. I was just in the middle of checking if there are some flights to get to Nantes tomorrow. '7 $56 p.m. McKay, Kisa et could organize a plane that would go direct to Nantes. '7 $56 p.m. Salah, how much will it cost? '7 $56 p.m. McKay, nothing. He said if you help me to score goals it's nothing. '8:00 p.m. Salah, we are going to score lots of goals. '8:01 p.m. Salah, I want to leave tomorrow for Nantes at around 11 am and come back on Monday night around 9 p.m. to Cardiff if that is possible. '5:00 p.m. McKay, hi there, is it possible you could come back at 7 in the evening on Monday night? Just because the pilot has to get home in the north after he gets to Cardiff. '5:01 p.m. Salah, hi. 7:30 would be possible. '5:05 p.m. Salah, picture of luggage, can you ask if I can bring this on the plane? '5:07 p.m. Salah, but is that going to be okay for the plane? McKay, yes, there is space on the plane for your luggage. '4:16 p.m. McKay, I'm going to call in a moment. '4:23 p.m. McKay, he said that it is the same company. The news of the text messages comes as nearly 1,800 people responded to a GoFundMe page which had been launched by Salah's agent, as authorities called off the search for him and his pilot. The cash appeal was launched by Sportcover, the name of Emiliano's agent Maisa Ndiaye's Paris-based football agency. A message on the web fundraiser, which carries the Spanish language hashtag #Raute donde buscar Emiliano Sala and means ''Don't stop looking for Emiliano Sala,'' said, this fund was created in response to the urgency of the situation and the authorities' decision not to pursue the search. Its sole objective, through a specialized non-profit organization, is to help the family of Emiliano and pilot Dave Ibbotson continue the search. Thank you for helping with the amount you want. The official search and rescue operation for the Peapod PA46 Malibu taking New Cardiff City signing Salah, 28, from Nantes in France to the Welsh capital was called off on Thursday, 3 days after the small aircraft went missing over the Channel. Last night Arsenal and Man United players sported black armbands and took part in a moment of applause for the footballer whose plane went down on Monday night, hurtling his plane into the English Channel, which has been suffering from an Arctic blast blown over from Europe. This is while other footballers from across the world have donated to the cause. French footballer Nardi Moukile donated €4,000, while Valencia player Jeffrey Kondogbia donated €2,000.